You know, if the all bird will be killed, we are going to lose our life. Do you know if the all bird will be killed, we lack the oxygen in the planet, in the world in general? Do you know if the all bird will be killed, the plant will lose their life, which is important for oxygen, to release oxygen to our life? Please, before watching this video, I'm kindly requesting you and insisting you to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and then watch the video. Don't skip any second until the end of this video. Then will you never be disappointed by your subscription to this channel. Then comment down below this video from which city you're watching us. I like to know how far my video is reaching. Then visit our channel. There are so many impressive videos that you can learn from. These are very important and essential animal, our pets in our life. The bird play the important role in your lives. One of the very essential part in your life that God gave them that you cannot know is they are providing nitrogen to the other plants. How? The birds which are living in the oceans are there eating in the ocean. Why in the ocean looking for their food? They be touching the water in the ocean. So after touching the water in the ocean, during the midnight, they are coming at the land so that they can rest. When they come at the land, there are some leftover of water that are touched and the other plants that are attached to their body. So when they come to the place that they are used to live in the land, they drop that something to the nest or the places around. Then that nitrogen which has dropped to the floor of the forest is very important for growing of plants. That is very important for production of oxygen in your lives. Another thing which is the main important of recording this video, it is very essential. One of the main function of the bird is to control the population of the insects and the other pets. How? I will tell you, listen carefully. Let's go together. The birds are eating the pets and other insects. These insects are there or are in the world, are growing. They have stage of growing. Why in the stage of growing? The stage that is known as larva. The larvae of these pests and other insects are eating the very much of food as a result of distracting or eating our crops and other plant leaves. Example, the larvae of butterfly are highly eating the animal plants, the animal tree, are so eating the plant leaves and the crop leaves. At the end of the day, will be lack of oxygen production in the planet as a result of we lost our lives. And another thing is, while the bird is eating this population, these pets and insect, is controlling the population of the insect in the world. At the end of the day, the oxygen will be sufficient due to the enough production of trees and other crops. Another thing, it's a sub-essential part of this video that I'm really informing you is when these pets will eat these crops which we are depending from them to get the food will be lost in our life. How? During the growing stage of this insect and the pets, example larva, will eat the food that we depend on. Example, the maize, beans, and the other are high eating this kind of food while in the stage of growing that is famous known as larva. So when they will eat the crop, at the end of the day, we'll be having a huge or a large anger in the world as a result of maybe we can lose our life due to the lack of crops, due to the presence of lava that was not controlled by the birds that are living around. So please, the birds are very important in your life. Another thing that is important to our life is the bird in your life is they are they are playing a part of they are playing a part of pollination. Pollination how? When the bird is flying around the flower, they are taking some of the flowers powder into another flower. As a result of cause production of other plants and other the production of plants and the other flowers, so that we are really enjoying in our life. And another thing is the bird is a very essential in your life because they are playing a role for distribution of grains to the other parts of the world. When the bird eats the fruits, then the bird move from one place to another. The result of after removing the waste product from their body, they will be spreading such grain to the other part that seems to be very productive. Then you can get enjoying the world. Another point is the birds are playing a part for us. They're playing a part of life because they are giving us pleasure by listening their masterful sound in the world. Like this, as you are watching this video, I think from the background you are hearing the sound of the birds that's so attractive. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. I highly recommend you not to disturb the water places, water sources, so which are highly depending on the other living things and organisms like a bird, which you can be killed their generation. Please, I highly recommend you to subscribe this channel, share this video to the people you love as many as the times you can. Don't forget to like and visit our channel. There are so many videos that you can learn from. I love you all. Thank you for watching my video till the end. I'm Mr. Django. Just call me Mr. Django. Till the next video, I love you all. Mwah.